This is a mouse melon. Look at how cute they are. They look a little bit like a watermelon, but don't be fooled. They taste kind of like a lemony cucumber. They're so cute. I kind of wish we had more growing because they are so beautiful to put in salads, but look at the plant down here. So it's a really delicate little vining plant. Look at these small little blooms. So that's where the melon would set on. We harvested what was growing right now. And I think maybe next year we should plant a few more. But look at this compared to, like, this is the China jade cucumber. Look how big this cucumber leaf is in comparison. Because this is essentially, I mean, calling it a melon, I realize a cucumber is a melon. Is it?
If they're in the same family.
They're in the family, but
I mean, the mice are the ones that called them the melon. So
the mice love these.
Yeah,
Just
they do.
kidding.
Really-
I that's not a real thing. Don't.
you're not supposed to eat them. They're for the mice.
Whatever. So cute. I'm going to make sure that we have these in the garden again, just because they're so darling, and they're planted right next to our spoon tomatoes. Look at this, is like the mini patch of the garden. Look at how little these tomatoes are. We only have one plant going this year because they do produce a lot of tomatoes, and they're so beautiful.
My goodness, there's 2 hummingbirds
Oh.
right next to you.
They want the mouse melon, but look at,
He's right behind you.
oh, they actually want this. They want the anise. Look at a mini tomato and a mini cucumber.